Hi again. This video is going to be about themes and CSS more broadly. First, we're going to start out by returning to the Zonelets itch.io page. Here, we're going to download Theme Pack 1. Now, unzip Theme Pack 1. And here we'll see we have preview images of the themes, an images folder with the backgrounds, and a style folder with all the various CSS files. Look at the little thumbnails and decide which one you want to use for your blog. Why don't we choose hiking shoes? Navigate back to NeoCities and go to the style folder. Edit this CSS. Open up the style folder on your desktop and open up hikingshoes.css. Select everything with Ctrl-A or Command-A on a Mac, copy it, and replace your entire styles.css contents with the style.css from the theme that you want. Then save the file. You're also going to need the background image. Click on Images, and take the background hiking shoes image and upload it. Now, test out your site. Here it is. We've updated to the hiking shoes theme. If you ever want to tweak your theme yourself, just go to Style and open style.css. But how do you figure out what's what and why I did these things that I did here? Well, back in Theme Pack 01, I've included commented reference.css. Upload this into your style folder and edit it. Here's a version of a basic Zonelet style sheet that has a lot more comments where I explain why I do a lot of the things that I did, and some basic notes about CSS. I also recommend doing your own research about what CSS is and what it does. Here's a great way to edit your themes using your browser's built-in tools. Right-click and select Inspect Element. And we're going to inspect the header here. As you can see, it has a background color with this hex code that defines the color. Click on this little circle of color, and you'll see a color picker. When we change it, it changes the header color. Say we like this color more. We then copy the color, head back to our style sheet, and find the spot where the header style is defined. Go to the background color and replace this hex code with the new hex code. Now save and go back to your site, and even if you refresh it, it's staying that way permanently. If you don't actually change it in your CSS code, then changing it in your browser's tool is just a preview, and it'll revert if you refresh. You can even use the Eyedropper tool to select colors from other parts of your page to see if they look good on different elements. Now you know all about Zonelets themes.